This is Andrew, and I'm today telling you about writing a simple compare and similarities essay. You can find more information at my website, wingeal.com, right here. And so today we're talking about two music groups, Fat Freddy's Drop and the Cat Empire. And so let's have a quick look. Because I use headings here, I can use this navigation pane on the left. If you cannot see your navigation pane, go to View and click on Navigation pane. And so let's look at the questions. Notes from the teacher. Both band names are long. How does the writer make them shorter and signal the reader the code for this? That's easy. Fat Freddy's Drop and the Cat Empire. So in the introduction I use the full name, but in the background, the first time I say Fat Freddy's Drop, I change it to, in brackets, FFD. And then the Cat Empire, in brackets, TCE. This is for words or names that are 3 words long or more. 3 words long or more. 2 words, you don't need it. And so, after you do this, and only after you do this, can you then change to saying only FFD, FFD, TCE, FFD, TCE. And notice I mentioned Fat Freddy's Drop first, the Cat Empire second, and always then Fat Freddy's Drop is first, the Cat Empire second. Fat Freddy's Drop first, Cat Empire second. First, second, even here. First and second, first, oops, first and second. All the way through. Okay, then what words are used to signal similarity? Okay, so both bands are similar, both bands are both blah blah and blah 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 are blah blah blah. Also, blah blah and blah blah blah, both blah blah blah. Similarly, comma, space, blah blah. Both blah blah and blah blah have been blah blah blah. Similarly, comma, blah blah blah. Okay. Then list the types of information in the article. I've already done that. It seems this is the structure. There is the background, discography, opinion. In the background, there is place of origin, when the bands were created, the genre, the members. In discography, albums, hit songs. Tours was put in opinion, maybe it should be here. Then opinion, their success, their uniqueness. Okay, so list the types of information in the article. So we see this map. The map shows the reader where to find information. So there is first discography, background, second discography, third opinion, fourth summary. You can see here background, discography, opinion, summary, and references. But we don't include references here. So background, then discography, opinion, summary, references. Okay. We can also find a place of origin, and what else? When they were created, been active since 1999, and been active since 1999. Okay. Genre, like a variety of genres in interesting ways. Okay, Fat Freddy's Drop mix, blah blah blah. Similarly, the Cat Empire mixes, blah blah blah. I guess other bands would say something like the Beatles specialize in Britpop or something like that. So that's the structure of the article. How does the writer signal names of songs and albums? Easy. Names of albums, released 5 albums, and the album name is always in italic. Italic. And notice always follows English grammar rules. First letter big, grammar word small, first letter big, first letter big. And the same. Then songs, quotation mark, quotation mark. And you can see that here. Okay, Names, songs, albums. The release of their first album. Released 5 albums beginning in 2001 with blah blah. Most recent in 2013 with blah blah blah. Okay. Their first successful album. Their first successful album. Their breakthrough album was blah blah blah. And their most popular album today, blah blah blah. Okay. Their success, which sold more than 105,000 in New Zealand and more overseas, went straight to #1 in the charts. The charts are a list of top selling songs. So far released 6 albums. Their most popular album today. Okay, got that. Alright, then next. What does top of the charts mean? Means the top position, #1, in the list of highest selling groups or albums. You can also write went straight to the top 10 or debuted in the top 10. How does the writer signal the year the song was released? Easy. Album, brackets, year, or writing in 2013. So you have 2 choices. Okay. Anything interesting or special about the article? I think that's everything. There is an introductory sentence, something about the interestingness for the reader, and then a statement about the essay, excuse me, and then a personal statement. And the summary is really just a summary. A mention about the background, something from the background, and then something about the opinion, because that's the important part. And I think that's everything. And of course, if you have any questions, please ask.